So we've done the test drive, and automotively everything seems to be working. The brakes hold, transmission shifts, no leaks of any kind. So other than the minor issue with the hydraulics on the blade, which we think is a controlled fitting that has a check valve in it that's in the wrong place, everything on this is good to go. So thanks for watching our videos. Check us out on Facebook, check us out on YouTube, like the channel, and OntarioRegimentMuseum.ca. Check out the gift shop. There's all kinds of great things out there for all the enthusiasts. And like and subscribe. Thanks.